All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 83,291 miles on the odometer. Shifting nice and smooth, no complaints there. Alignment feels good. So far, really no complaints with the drivability. And then I'm gonna hit on the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes are solid, no issues there. The steering wheel doesn't shake or shimmy when you apply the brakes, and I feel no vibrations in the brake pedal. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the tread, ton of tread left. These look relatively new. Yep, date code 2025. Now you do have some little scratches around that wheel. Got some chips here. A few little chips every once in a while. Overall, the A-pillar looks good. Side mirror's clean. Looking at that door, a few small chips, and here on the lower side, you might not see it, but a few small dings. Little scuff. Just minor stuff throughout, little chips there. You do have some more gashes there. Little gash here and there on that bedside. A few little spots. This tire, it still has some decent tread, but it looks like it needs to be replaced pretty soon. Looks older. I don't see the date code on it, but it is different from that front. That looks really nice. A couple gashes there. Typical rock impacts throughout that front, even though it's pretty minimal for the miles on the vehicle. Little chips here and there. Overall, that fender looks good. That tire looks nice. The wheel, a couple gashes here and there. Side mirror looks nice. A little scratch there. You have some larger chips here on the door edge. A couple gashes right there. A few little chips. Just typical wear for a work truck. That tire on the back is similar to the other backside. Tread's pretty low, so those would need to be replaced soon. They have some stains and gashes on them. Front tires are good. Backs, I'd say, are close to being bad. You have some damage here. You have some gashes and paint chipping around that tail light. Got the bed liner. Typical gashes here. This handle is busted, so it is missing as well. That cap is missing. Little gashes here and there. More kind of body damage there. The rest of that looks good though. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. A couple little scuffs here and there. You got the power windows and power locks. That lower side looks nice. You have carpet, and then you have your all-weather mat. Now you do have stains all throughout the seat, and this stuff will not come out. It's glue, paint, things like that. This was a work truck, and they must have painted, and they had it all over them. Perfect candidate to get some just seat covers on this, and of course it would look a lot better. You do have some wear on the top of the wheel. Sides look pretty good. Automatic headlights. You have some scratches on the upper side of that dash, and then you have some scuffs and scratches and wear right there. Got the big screen. The console here, little scuffs and scratches, typical wear. Looking at that door panel, overall in great condition. You do have carpet here with the all-weather mats, and then you have stains all throughout that seat. Overall, that looks good. Little scuffs and scratches there. couple throughout the glove box area. Here on this door panel, a few little scuffs and scratches, and then you have stains all throughout this seat as well. And this stuff will not come out. It's paint and glue and things like that. Here on this door panel, you do have gashes all throughout that area. A few on the lower side, typical wear there from getting in and out. And then looking at the seats, a couple rips and then stains, of course, all throughout. Like I said, this would be a perfect candidate to just get some new seat covers on it, and it would look a lot better. All right, we're gonna scan through the engine bay here and just look through it all. Looks really good. Plastics are nice and clean. All of this was freshly detailed. Looking at the underside of the hood, overall in great condition as well.